Hey guys, this is Corey Bystead over at Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you a 378 FL Heritage Glen. Let's take a look inside. Okay guys, so I'm going to start us out in the kitchen. So you have a very big refrigerator. You got 2 doors for the freezer, 2 doors for the refrigerator. You can make your way over into the rest of the kitchen. You see there's cabinet storage everywhere. There's all these shelves on the side. And you have this big 1-tub giant sink in the island. It's nice to have the island kind of maximize what you're able to do in here. And then you have this whole other little coffee bar kind of thing. Doesn't have to be a coffee bar. It can be whatever you want to do. I love the lighting fixtures in the kitchen too, kind of when you just look above. Now let's make our way into the living room up front. So you can see you have a fireplace, and then there's a big window. That's amazing. I love having the view in the front. It's just kind of unique and cool. You can run a shade down just to kind of kill the light that's coming in from there. And then you hit this button and a televator comes up and it brings your TV up. That way you can watch a movie in the dark if you want while it's still the daytime, or do whatever you want. It does play DVD and CD and all that stuff out of the stereo system right here in front. Now these 2 couches and the slide outs, those are actually hide-a-beds, and when you pull them out they do just about touch, so it kind of becomes just one really big bed. And then you have 2 little chairs in the front, and then they recline up. Now when you come down past the kitchen into the hallway, you can open the bathroom door. This is extremely nice for tall people. There's a lot of like 6-foot people, a lot of taller people who have an issue getting in the shower. This is the right rig for you. I mean, even if I raise my hand as high as I can and jump, I won't touch the ceiling in here. So this is the right shower for you. Now if you come out, and you can see there's actually a staircase in here. I'll show you that in a second. You go into your bedroom and it goes downstairs into the bedroom. Now you have a very nice secluded kind of feel back here. It's very sheltered in and quiet. Oversized windows everywhere, king bed, storage against where the staircase is. So if you come upstairs and you go upstairs again, then you have this whole entire bunk room. This is where your kids can go, or storage, or whatever you want to do. But it does have TV hookups in there, so you can hook up a TV for them if that's what you're going to do. And it is good enough for like a 10-year-old to sit on his butt and kind of like not hit his head on the ceiling. That gives you kind of an idea of how tall it is. So yeah, this is a great rig for a family, tall people who want to use, a greater shower, have some space. And the front living room really gives you a nice feeling of space, and you don't really feel claustrophobia in a rig like this. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions on this rig or any other products we stock, you can just give me a call. I'll tell you all about them. It's 541-735-1535. Thank you.